In this video, I'll show you how to download AnyDesk on an Apple laptop the safe and easy way. If you've been looking for a quick step-by-step guide for Mac, you're in the right place. We'll go through the official website, find the correct Mac download, and make sure you get the right version installed without any confusion. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open your web browser on your Apple laptop. You can use Safari, Chrome, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. Once the browser is open, click inside the address bar at the top. Now type AnyDesk and press Enter. This will bring up search results for the software. From the results, make sure you open the official AnyDesk website. This is very important because you always want to download software from the official source to avoid fake files or unsafe versions. Look for the main AnyDesk website in the search results and click it. Once the AnyDesk website loads, look for the Downloads section. On the home page, click on Downloads so you can find the version made for your device. After that, scroll down until you see the Mac option. Since you are using an Apple laptop, this is the version you need. When you find the Mac download option, click Download Now. The file will begin downloading to your Mac. Depending on your browser and internet speed, it may take a few moments to finish. After the download completes, you can open the file from your Downloads folder and continue with the installation process. But for this video, the main goal was to show you how to correctly find and download AnyDesk on an Apple laptop, and now you've done that successfully. Just to recap, open your browser, search for AnyDesk, go to the official website, click Downloads, scroll down to Mac, and then click Download Now. That's the safest and easiest way to get AnyDesk on your Apple laptop. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.